Can excessive coughing during pregnancy hurt the baby?
Short answer, no. Coughing itself rarely hurts the baby. The uterus, amniotic fluid and muscles cushion the fetus, so normal or even frequent coughs do not cause injury. The real concern is severe or prolonged coughing from illness, especially with high fever, breathing trouble, dehydration, or underlying lung disease. Treat infections promptly, stay hydrated, use safe home measures, and check medicines with your clinician. Seek care for bleeding, regular contractions, or decreased fetal movement.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.